Okay, students, now I'm going to show you how to subtract numbers using different ways. Imagine I have a number 367 and we are supposed to subtract 80 from this. So we will see what are the different ways we can use to subtract this number. First, I'm going to show this on a number line. I take this number 367 here. Okay. Also notice that we have to subtract 80. We have ones and tens. Okay. So I'm going to write the numbers on this number line with a difference of tens so that we can cover most of the numbers with a difference of 10. So 367 starting from there, count backward with a difference of tens. I want you to work with me as I am counting the numbers. So 367, 357, 347, 337, 327, 317, 307, 297, 287, 277, 267, 257. So I have taken some numbers on my number line. You can notice that we have a difference of tens between them. You can see only the tens place is changing, like here 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 9, 8, 7. So here you will notice the hundreds are changing because we are done with tens here. And now I'm going to hop backwards this way because this is subtraction. Okay, so let's start until we cover 80, starting from 367. And always remember, we have a difference of 10. So the value of each hop is going to be minus 10. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So there we end. What is our number? Our number is 287. So 367 minus 80 is 287. So this is the way we subtract using number line. Now let's see what's the other method we can use to subtract. Our number is 367 minus 80, right? First, make a note of this. You are going to subtract 80. And you are going to subtract from 367. You can notice that the value is in hundreds. So, what you can do is the first step, start counting from 80 to the nearest 100. From 80 to the nearest 100. Why? Because subtracting 100 from hundreds is easier rather than subtracting any other number. So I'm going to count the nearest 100 to 80. 80, 90, 100. So we end up with 100, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the fact family. So if we are going to use the fact family here, bring this 80 on one side. So 80, how much more you should add to 80 to bring it to 100? Well done. 80 plus 20 is 100. And now I'm coming back to this part. We have 367. And now I'm going to subtract 100 from this. Instead of 80, I'm going to subtract 100. Why? Because subtracting hundreds from 100 is easier than subtracting any other number. So now our job becomes easy. Like 7 minus, I changed my color so that you people can see it well. Yeah. 7 minus 0 is, good job, 7. 6 minus 0 is, 6 minus 0 is 6. And 3 minus 1 is, well done, 2. So we end up with 267. But you might be wondering, I'm supposed to subtract 80, but I subtracted 100. I have subtracted 20 more. So, yes, you're right. I have subtracted 20 more. So, you can give back that 20 by adding 20 to this number. So, what you end up with, 267 plus 20 is, add ones to ones. 7 plus 0 is 7. 6 tens to tens. 6 plus 2 is 8. And we don't have hundreds here, so consider it as 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. So our answer 367 minus 80 is 287. If you notice, here we get the same answer as we got it on the number line. Okay?